What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about plans going forward with the channel as far as me, myself, in terms of real life driving and the sim content I'm going to be putting out in the next few months to years. Who knows where it's going to take me, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about what I'm going to do this whole year, 2024, in terms of sim racing, in terms of content, in terms of upgrading my rig, upgrading my PC, providing more content, having fun with it, and just kind of having fun and seeing where it goes. So I'm just gonna be driving around the Nürburgring right now. I got this Corvette C6, 7, C7, C7R, and we're in a GT3, GT4 server. So I'm just gonna drive around while we talk, just to make it easier on myself, because I'm not very good at this whole thing yet. So bear with me. If you're new to the channel, thank you for popping in. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more sim racing content that's not extremely serious and professional. But I like to have my competition, but I also like to have fun. Maybe I'll do some drifting stuff sometimes. Um, but I just tried out iRacing a few days ago, and the last few days I've been playing it. It's fun, but graphically isn't appealing to me, and graphics are, for me, personally, something that really pulls me in, that makes me want to play the game. I want to see really good graphics. I want to see grass moving. I want to see trees swaying. And sure, Assetto Corsa isn't the number one game for that. Gran Turismo 7, for instance, it has ray tracing in the replays only, but graphically it's unmatched. I'm not even going to talk about Forza. I think we all know how Forza is right now in its current state. But back to iRacing, it's a lot. It is very overwhelming. It's definitely not the easiest thing to get a hang of. I'll let this guy pass here. Go ahead, dude. All right. Um, yeah, and I couldn't get into it really much. It's almost a little too serious for me. Assetto Corsa just kind of scratches that itch perfectly for me, in terms of realism, fun level, immersion, and the modability. You cannot beat how many mods you can put into this game. I mean, you can drift a bus around Suzuka Circuit if you really wanted to. The list goes on. I mean, I wanted to do iRacing and I wanted to make a series on that and just tracking my progression from like rookie all the way up to whatever license I might reach, until I get bored or my wallet runs out of money, because I heard that game you do spend a lot of money. And that's another reason why I prefer Assetto, because I can go drive any car I want realistically for free. I mean, virtually for free. But yeah, I mean, so going forward, I do plan on doing Assetto Corsa heavily. Uh, Getting into some GT racing, touring car racing, road car racing. I want to be a little competitive with it. I'll definitely be posting videos of, track days like this, or, drifting videos with some buddies, or even ripping around some tracks in GT3 cars and actually having a good race. So yeah, I mean, that's what I want to do, and if that's something you guys are into, then definitely, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see. Uh, as of right now, I'm playing on my Thrustmaster T150. Terrible compared to my T300, but this wheel overall, it honestly is fine. With the right software and little mods, you can really make this wheel feel like a Thrustmaster T300, almost. It's still gear driven. You can't hide that. You cannot hide a gear driven wheel. No matter what you do, it's still gonna have teeth in there, and you're gonna feel them. Pedals right now, I'm running as I go off the track. Pedals right now, I'm running the T300 RSGT pedals. So they have the aluminum faced pedals on there. Uh, they're nice. I have issues with calibration sometimes, but that's to be expected with an older set of pedals. In the future, I do plan on picking up a Fanatec CSL DD possibly, maybe even a Moza, depending on where I am in terms of console racing, because I do have a PS5 and Gran Turismo 7. And oh, jeez, oh, okay. And I don't play it all that much. Once I got into PC, I thought Gran Turismo was like my thing since I was a child, but yeah, it's not doing it for me anymore. It's just a little too much of a grind. It's too mature in terms of uh, playability. Like it's too slow. It's too slow. It's just not realistic enough. But drifting, Assetto Corsa does it better. Actual racing, Assetto Corsa does it better. And these are all my opinions, guys. Don't take them all serious. Don't get mad at me. You know, you don't gotta be typing away in the comments. Oh, Gran Turismo is the best racing simulator. I know it's a good one, but it's not for me. And I think Assetto Corsa really is it for me. So that's what you should be expecting to see more content of. Once things progress, if everything goes well, you know, I'm having a good time and I'm getting subscribers, and you know, you guys are liking the content, I'll start doing more life vlogs. You know, not like life vlogs that are all corny, but just vlogs about cars. You know what I mean? Taking my car out to a track, maybe. You know, I have a Volkswagen CC. I'm going to be having probably another car here soon, um, which I do intend on making a dedicated, you know, weekend track car. Something fun. It's not going to be a drift car. I'm looking more into road racing. Um, on the fun level, not anything serious like not doing NASA or IMSA, but that'll be in the future for sure. Like I said, just stick around because the content's going to be coming. I'm looking to do possibly 1 to 2 videos a week um, of any form of the Assetto Corsa content. Eventually, I might throw in some other games or whatnot whenever my PC is upgraded. Possibly some more live streams. Live streams seem to do pretty well in terms of me just starting out and having nobody watch. You know, I get the couple people in there, and it's pretty fun. I enjoy it. It's definitely rough talking to yourself for a while, but you get used to it, I guess. I haven't yet, but I've heard. Yeah, if you're still watching, drop a comment. Tell me what your favorite simulator is. And bonus points if you tell me what wheel you're using or your whole setup. Just drop it below. I would love to see it. That's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. It'll help me a ton. Really get me more motivated to make more content. Comment, and don't forget to like the video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.